everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a number game show due to popular demand because many people told me that it was a tie between the two people that I used for the last game show. So thanks to my sponsor who sponsored another game show so that we can finally get the winner. So we have the same contestants here again to make sure that we get a winner today. I hope we'll get a winner, we'll have a tie. So let's introduce our contestants. You already know them. Let's just get to say hi to them. All right, this is Darlington.
Hi.
And this is Clinton.
Hi.
They are back here to make sure that we get a winner on this number game show. So as you know the drill, you pick a, and let's know who's gonna start. Who's starting?
Me.
All right, pick your number.
Number 2.
Number 2. How long does it take the Earth to rotate 90 degrees? A, 80 hours. B, 4 hours. C, 6 hours. D, 12 hours. Correct. Please feel free to dig in. Please, your question.
Number 4.
Number 4. About how long does it take the Earth to complete an orbit of the Sun? A, 1 month. B, 1 year. C, 1 season. D, 1 day.
1 day.
Wrong. That is it.
Option.
1 month, 1 year, 1 season, 1 day.
1 day.
That's what he said.
No. 1 month.
Wrong. So that answer is for me. It's 1 year. It takes the Earth 1 year to orbit the Sun. All right. Who is next?
Me.
Good. What's your question?
3.
Number 3. The process by which water molecules escape the Earth's surface and enters the atmosphere is known as what?
Evaporation.
Thank you. Please dig in and enjoy your red velvet cake. That's good. Clinton, please pick your number. Number 9. Plants which can survive in places where the water supply is limited are called what? A. Do you need options?
05.
Xerophytes. Correct. Please dig in. Yes, your question.
6.
Number 6. The cell membrane is a structure composed primarily of what? The cell membrane is a structure composed primarily of what? A. Lipid. B. DNA. C. Protein. D. Carbohydrates.
DNA.
Wrong. Your question.
Option.
A. Lipid. B. DNA. C. Protein. D. Carbohydrates. Wrong. It's lipid. 2 red velvet cake from me. All right. Your question. Who's next?
Number 10.
Number 10. Plants which can survive in places. Sorry. When was the Universal Declaration of Human Rights adopted by the United Nations General Assembly? What year? A. 1984. B. 1941. C. 1948. D. 1981.
1984.
Wrong.
1941.
Wrong. 1948. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted by the United Nations General Assembly in 1948. All right. The next question. Please, let's record this. How many questions have you filled now? I hope you are aware.
1.
Then you too. All right. The next person, please. Who's next? Number 5. Which of the following is not a fruit? Who chose that question? You? Which of the following is not a fruit? A. Carrot. B. Corn. C. Pepper. D. Tomato. Which of the following is not a fruit? A. Carrot. B. Corn. C. Pepper. D. Tomato.
Corn.
Wrong. Your question.
Carrot.
Carrots. Fruits are supposed to have seeds. Corn is the fruit of that plant. So pepper has seed, tomato has seed. So carrot is a vegetable. Is that okay? All right, the next question, please. Who is taking? So 2-2, right? Who is next? Clinton, yes.
14.
Number 14. The Lagos State Tree Planting Day annual celebration is on the what? The Lagos State Tree Planting Day annual celebration is on the what? A. 14th of February. B. 14th of July. C. 14th of August. D. 14th of September.
14th of September.
Wrong. Your question. Wrong. It's 14th of July. 3 cakes. I mean, is it 4 cakes now? Even no, 5 for me now.
Hey.
Okay.
15 questions.
3 questions wrong, 2 questions wrong. All right, well, your number, please.
1.
Number 1. An anemometer measures what? An anemometer measures what? A. Humidity. B. Air pressure. C. Wind speed. D. Temperature.
Wind speed.
Correct. You can dig in.
Finally.
3-2. Let's see. Your question, please.
Marcel.
Number 7. The Earth's surface is covered by approximately what percent of water? A. 55%. B. 85%. C. 65%. D. 70%. Correct. Dig in. Yes, your question.
20.
Question 20. The natural satellite of the Earth is the what?
Moon.
The natural satellite of the Earth is the moon. Thank you very much. Yes, your question.
8.
Number 8. Microorganisms that cause diseases are called what? A. Pathogens. Correct. Dig in. Yes, your question, please.
12.
Question 12. Microorganisms that cause diseases are called pathogens, and they include protozoas, nematodes, viruses, fungi, and a host of others. Okay, yes, your question?
12.
Number 12. What is the full meaning of sin? No options. Tell me the full meaning of sin. SIM card. You have a SIM card. What's the meaning of sin? S-I-M. No idea. Thank you. Your question, please.
System.
I can't hear you. Speak and let them hear you. No idea? Or you want to say something?
No idea.
Okay. It is subscribers identity modeling. SIM. How many questions have you? How many now? Whose question was this?
Me.
So it's how many now?
3.
3-3. Balanced. All right, please. I don't want a tie. Okay. What's your question?
15.
Question 15. When was the NYSC scheme established in Nigeria? A. 22nd May 1973. B. 14 February 1981. C. 26 July 1985. D. 17 September 1973.
A.
Correct. 22nd May 1973. Please dig in. That is very good. I know you've not done NYSC, but for you to know that, that shows that you will definitely do NYSC one day. All right, your question, please. What?
19.
Number 19. So, number 19 says, a large ball of ice dust that orbits the sun is called a what? A large ball of ice dust that orbits the sun is called a what? A. Comet. B. Asteroid.
Comet.
C. Thank you. Comet it is. Very good. So, we're still on 3-3, right? Let's see the tiebreaker. We still have 4 questions. Yes, pick your question.
16.
Question 16. No, we still have 5. Okay. Question 16. Who is the first man to orbit round the Earth? Who is the first man to orbit round the Earth? A. Neil Armstrong. B. Edwin Aldrin. C. Yuri Gagarin. D. Nelson Mandela. What? Please let me give my options again. A. Neil Armstrong. B. Edwin Aldrin. C. Yuri Gagarin. D. Nelson Mandela. What? Speak out now. A. Neil Armstrong. No.
C.
Yuri Gagarin. Right. Neil Armstrong is the first man to step on the moon, not the first man to orbit the Earth. Correct. So how far? Who is winning? 4-3. Good. Now, what's the question? Valentin. What is the permanent memory? What is the permanent memory built in your computer called?
RAM.
Correct. Okay. Next question. 18. The revolving of the earth about the sun causes 4 seasons. Name them. Seasons. Name them.
Summer.
Speak out.
Rain.
Hey.
Summer, rain.
Rain.
Dry season.
Wrong. Yes, your question.
Winter, summer, spring, autumn.
Thank you. Also, brother. All right, thank you. So that is what? 5-3. Abi? Okay, I think we're getting our winner here. How many questions remaining?
1.
Next question. Who is speaking? You. I'm sure that if I read it, 18. Okay, so I didn't underline. So it's 11 and 7 left. Yes.
11.
11. Okay. What is the full meaning of PVC?
Permanent Madagascar.
Correct. Dig in. Then the last question, your only option, number 17. The people who study astronomy are called what? A. Arachnologists. B. Astronomers. C. Ecologists. D. Zoologists. Arachnologists. Astronomers. Correct. So, as we can see, we finally have our winner, and the winner gets to have this yummy chicken here. So let's give the winner, Valentin, who got, how many points did he get? I think he got, out of 20, how many did you got 7. No, you got 7, then, okay, you even answer some of these questions. So you get to eat that all alone. How come people are not eating your cake? Okay, these are all mine. Are you saying these are all mine? Wow, that's good. So I'll eat all of these. But let's get to see what you have in there. Yummy. All right, join us again for another game show. We'll be having other contestants here. Please stay tuned and make sure you subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for joining us, and thank you to our sponsors for making this possible, this lovely cake and this yummy chicken that the winner is about to eat. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Bye.